Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Uh, our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the videos, you can go and watch the whole series. Okay. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about bidding strategy in Google Ads. So in Google Ads, we have two types of bidding strategies. One is manual bidding and other one is smart bidding or automated bidding. So in this video, I will be discussing about manual bidding, and in next video, I'll be discussing about smart bidding or automated bidding. So first of all, let's get to know what is manual bidding actually. So with manual cost per click CPC bidding, you can set a maximum price on the cost of someone clicking on your ads. You can get good value with this bidding method because you pay only when a viewer is interested enough to click your ad. Okay. So think about billboards. Advertisers pay for billboard space based on how many people might see their ads as they drive by, whether those people actually notice the ads or not. Internet ads are a little bit different. With Google Ads CPC bidding, you only pay for Google's billboard space. When you know users saw your ad and were motivated enough to click. If 100 people view your ad and 3 click it, you pay for the 3 clicks, not for the other 97 views. So Google will only cost you when you will have click, not view. Okay. So let's see how CPC bidding works. So let's take an example. Okay. If you think it's odd 0.25 USD to have someone visit your website, you can set 0.25 USD as your max CPC. You will pay a maximum of 0.25 USD when a person reads your ad and clicks it, and you pay nothing if they don't click. Let's say you create a text ad and set a maximum CPC bid of 0.25 USD. If 500 people see the ad and 23 of them click to learn more, you pay only for those 23 clicks. Your max CPC bid was 0.25 USD. So you will pay no more than 23 clicks into 0.25 USD or 5.75 USD. Often you will pay less than your max CPC because with the Google Ads auction, the most you will pay is what's minimally required to clear the ad rank threshold and beat the ad rank of the competitor immediately below you. Okay. So this was, I will share this doc link, Google Ads official document link with you so that you can study further about manual biddings in Google Ads. So let's see it practically. Okay. So if we try to create a new campaign, then we'll not see the options here of manual CPC because by default we are seeing 4 options here: conversions, conversions value, click, and impression share. So while you will go to your Google Ads and try to create a new campaign, you will not be able to see manual bidding options here. So what we need to do, we need to go to the campaign section. Okay, I'm selecting a campaign here. Now you need to go to the settings option, campaign settings option. Then you need to go to the biddings option, then change bid strategy or select a bid strategy. You can select here manual CPC. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to select a campaign, then you have to come to the campaign settings option. Then you need to go come to the bidding section and select manual CPC. Okay, I'm saving it. And you need to go to the ad group section for giving a max CPC. Okay, suppose I'm giving it as $1. Okay, and saving it. That means Google will only cost you when your CPC, that means Google will try to give you the click within $1. Okay. So yeah, That's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding about Google manual CPC. Okay. So if you like our video, you can subscribe our channel, like our page. So yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.